This boat car is only worth $1. But if I can make enough money, I can afford to buy the $1 million boat car.
Welcome, sir. Do you want a boat car? That too? Very good and wonderful. We have cars ranging from $1 million to one boat.
Can I go inside the showroom and see the boat car?
Hey, sir. When did I ever stop you? You have stayed with me of your own free will. I keep singing songs to welcome you here.
Right now, I have $1 in my account. Let me test some boat cars from here. Can we buy here?
Sir, welcome to our showroom. Do you want to buy a good boat car?
Yes, I want to buy. But first, I need to know the price of all these.
But, sir, please tell me whether you really want to buy or are you fooling me?
Is boat car finance possible here?
No, sir. It is not like that. We do not finance. We give the car in cash. Price of this boat car is $1 million.
Collect a lot of dollars and win $1 million boat car.
Okay, sir. But let me tell you that this boat car can only run on road and cannot run underwater at all. That is why I have kept its price at $1.
Tell me something about it. How it works. Boat car.
Sir, I have priced it at $1 million, but it can run on water and road.
Is this the oldest boat car? You quoted its price as $2,000.
Sir, this boat car can be modified, hence its price is $2,000.
Wow! Salomon, sir. Okay, so I am transferring $1 to you, and I will come back shortly and buy this modified boat car, but you do not sell it to anyone, please. I will buy all the boat cars.
Okay, I am giving you 30 minutes. You have to assemble the entire $1 million. Otherwise, I can sell all this boat car to someone else.
Hey! Okay, sir, thank you. But I have to click 1 million quickly. My time starts. I have full 30 minutes. Within that, I have to collect the entire $1 million so that I can buy both these boat cars. It is not easy to collect $1 million. I will have to work very hard. Only then I will be able to collect $1 million. But it is not so easy. I will have to do some risky work, but I will also have to find out now which work I have to do.
Wow. Hello, sir. Your boat car is looking very nice, and it is my dream in life to buy such a boat car.
Uncle, I have bought this boat car, but this is not the dream of my life.
Okay.
I want to buy a bigger and more expensive boat car, which can run on the road and can run on water. It should have such qualities, but I don't have money, so I can buy it for $1. I have bought it, but I have got 30 minutes time, otherwise Selman will sell my most favorite boat car, and I have to collect $1 million.
Boy, let me tell you one thing, that after some time there is a boat racing going on the beach.
Okay.
You can take part in the boat racing there and collect dollars from there and fulfill your wish.
What's the matter, Uncle? You gave a good idea. Thank you. I can never forget this favor of yours because right now I have full 25 minutes and I have to quickly collect the entire $1 million I am going there. Hello, friends. I also want to participate with you in racing.
Bro, you will be racing with us, so if you win Rush, you will get the entire $5,000.
Wow, what? $5,000. So I will win this race in any case, and I will beat all of you.
U-Video is an experience of 5 years. I am new to this race. And from where did you get this painting on your boat car? That too will be known.
So let's start the race. Let's start. I will finish this race in any case, only then I will get $5,000. And with that dollar, I will buy that old boat car and can upgrade it and sell it.
I left you behind? You can't catch me? No matter how well you paint your boat, you can't defeat me.
Oh my God, he is challenging us. Let me show him the power of my boat car. It is worth $1. Its power is very good. For you, I will remain in defeat. You all will stay behind me. I will tell you after winning.
I said, no, boy. You can't fall for me. You will stay behind me only.
No. Oh my God, he is going ahead of me, but I have to leave him behind in any case. Let's show my power of $1 boat car. I'm going to him, and I think I'll cross. I have come to you, and I will win this mission because I really need $1 million right now.
How can this be possible? No, you can't overtake me. No one has defeated me in 5 years.
Wow, oh my God, I have done it, and I have won the race. Let's tease them all. Hello, bro. What were you saying that no one has defeated me for 5 years?
Bro, you deserve to be praised because you worked hard and no one has defeated me till date. But I'm feeling very bad, but I respect you from my heart. You are the best. You have a very good racing drive.
Hey, you were making fun of my boat car, see? I knew that I had bought a car for $1. But seeing this, I have defeated even your car.
Sorry, bro, forgive me.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my God. I have only 20 minutes left, and in that, I have to buy a good boat car so that I can upgrade, and after that, he has to collect $1 million from tax. Only then I can do my best. Favorite and best bike of my life.
Good luck, boy. You won the race, and I'm transferring $5,000 to you.
Thank you. Sir, thank you. Another $5,000 has come into our account, and I am going to go now. And he is going to buy the entire $2,000 boat car. After that, we will take it for modification so that we can make a better car. Salomon, sir. I don't have time, and I am quickly transferring you the full $2,000, and I want to buy that old boat car so that I can do a good upgrade from it and connect it to vodka, more dollars.
Okay, Farhan, I forgot to tell that if you upgrade such a $2,000 boat car and sell it,
now I am going with this boat car, and I have 10 minutes left in that. I have to modify this boat car and quickly click $1 million. This is very hard and agile work. Right now, I am going to modify my car, but I know a person who can modify this car and make it a wonderful and luxury boat car with full color. Hello, sir. Can you modify this car of mine?
Okay, I will do it, but it will cost full $3,000. Can you give me $3,000?
I am ready to give you the full $3,000, but this boat car of mine has to be the most amazing modified so that people will run after me to see it. I have transferred $3,000 to your account.
Thank you. Give me 2 minutes. I will modify this boat car now.
Oh my God, brother, you made this boat car a luxury. Now, if I want, I can sell it for a full $1 million. I won't need to do any mission. Can I take it from?
It is ready from my side, sir. You can take your BOAT car.
I have some work inside the court, so I am going to go inside the court, and after that, I have only 5 minutes left, so I have to quickly collect $1 million. I go to the court quickly first. I am back after finishing my secret work. Oh my God, so many people are looking at my car. It means my car has been modified in a great way. Oh my God, hey bro, this is my car, and tell me, I have modified it myself.
Hello, bro. Do you want to sell this boat car? I want to buy it because this boat is one of my wife's favorite cars.
Good, I want to sell this boat car for $1 million, but can you buy it from someone?
Sir, this is too much for $1 million, so can you make it a little cheaper? I can give the full $800,000 for it.
Sorry, sir. Please forgive me. I will only take the entire $1 million because I have invested the entire $1 million in it. Oh, what am I saying to them? But yes, I am telling a lie. Then my car will be sold for the entire $1 million. Sir, I will take $1 million.
Okay, sir. I have transferred the entire $1 million to you. Now can I take this boat car?
Thank you. You can take it. Now it is not mine. It is your boat car. Oh my God, I have 2 minutes left. I have to quickly go to the showroom, and I have to buy a boat worth $1 million. That is the biggest mission of my life. I have to go quickly because I don't have time. Hello, sir. I have returned on time and I can transfer you $1 million. You gave me full 30 minutes. I completed it.
Okay, you transfer it to my account.
Okay, sir. I am transferring the entire $1 million to your account, and after that, I can leave with it. $1 million have been successfully transferred to Sir Minnie. Now I am going with this boat car. Bye-bye, let's go. Now I am going to test this boat car and see whether it can actually run on water and road. It has the best designing and has been modified in such a way that it can run on road as well as in water.